Hey kids, very good morning you all. Welcome to Shivaji Group of Institution Online Classes Let's Bagya Preschool. Kids, today's date is 7th August 2020 and day is Friday. Hello kids, as you all know that we start our class with English recitation. So kids, stand up on your place, put your hands on your waist. I am going to recite a poem and you all have to repeat after me with actions. So kids, today in English rhyme, we are going to recite a poem and the poem is Teddy Bear. You all have teddy bears now. We play with teddy bears. So today we are going to recite a poem Teddy Bear, okay? Let's start. Teddy bear, turn around. Repeat after me. Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Repeat after me. Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, polish your shoes. Teddy bear, polish your shoes. Teddy bear, go to school. Let's repeat it again. Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, polish your shoes. Teddy bear, go to school. I hope kids you all have enjoyed this rhyme. Thank you. Let me tell you that today you have some work in cursive book also. So kids, check out your cursive book. Open page number 25. This is your class work. Okay kids, today we are going to do cursive work in class work. You have to match these alphabets US, UT. Now what you have to do? Here you have to write it by yourself. बच्चों एक बात का ध्यान रखिएगा, कर्सिव में आपको फॉर्मेशन बहुत ध्यान से और अच्छे से बनाना है. ओके UT. You have to do this work like this, okay? इसको भी अच्छे से ट्रेस करिए बच्चों. Trace these alphabets first of all. So kids, today we have completed our work in class work. After this, turn your page number 26. That is your homework. This is your homework. Okay kids, you have to do this page by yourself. So kids, complete your work. And after this, page number 27. This one is also your homework. You have 2 pages to complete it by yourself. So kids, complete your work and remember one thing, that your writing should be very neat and clean. Okay kids? Thank you. This is your English class. So kids, today we are going to do our work in English book. So kids, take out your English Delight book. Take out your English Delight book and open page number 7. Open page number 7. Here kids, what you have to do? Phonic sound E. इसमें हम लोग को E sound वाले words read करने हैं. Kids, this is your homework. Here you have to write today's date. That is 7th August. And here you have to write homework. And how you have to read? Bed, bed. B-E-E-B. किड्स, ये आप लोग फोनेटिक्स में रीड नहीं करेंगे, ओके? आपको सिर्फ ये वाला फोनेटिक्स में रीड करना है, ईडी वाला. एड, इसको क्या पढ़ेंगे? एड. और ये क्या होता है? ई. तो बा एडा बेड. एड हुआ बा एड एड. बेड, बा एडा बेड. फा एडा फेड. यहाँ क्या बना बच्चों? ई डबल जी एग. क्या बन गया? एग. ई को फोनेटिक्स में क्या पढ़ते हैं? एग पढ़ते हैं. और जी को क्या पढ़ते हैं? गा पढ़ते हैं. तो क्या बन गया? एग. डबल जी है ग. एग. पा एग पेग. नाउ हियर कम हियर. बी डबल ई. क्या बन गया बच्चों? बी. वाई? क्योंकि यहाँ पे डबल ई है और इसको क्या पढ़ते हैं? ई पढ़ते हैं. हमने बड़ी ई से ई पढ़ा था ना, तो ये वही ऐसे ही रीड करेंगे. बी. और ये क्या बना है? सी. टी आर ट्री. ये क्या बन गया? टी आर डबल ई ट्री. एफ आर डबल ई फ्री. टी एच डबल ई दी. किड्स हियर कम हियर. डी डबल ई पी डीप. इसको ऐसे रीड करना है, ओके? जीप. कीप. पीप. sheep. Like this you all have to read. Beer. B-E-A-R beer. D-E-A-R deer. Kids, अगर आपको फोनेटिक्स अच्छी तरीके से आते हैं तो आप इसको अच्छे से रीड कर पाएंगे. So kids, this is your homework. You have to read this page by yourself. I have told you that how you have to read. Okay kids, now turn your page. Open page number 8. Kids, here what you have to do? Write today's date. That is 7th August. Here you have to write CW. Kids, in this exercise, what we have to do? Write the missing vowels of the word. Here some pictures are given. We have to fill the correct word and we have to complete the spelling. Kids, ये क्या बना है? Pencil. Which figure is this? Pencil बनी है ना ये? तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? E आएगा. पेंसिल की स्पेलिंग क्या होती है? P-E-N-C-I-L. पेंसिल. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग को क्या लिखना है? E लिखना है, राइट? है E. P-E-N-C-I-L pencil. Then what is the spelling of hen? H-E-N hen. Here you have to write E. H-E-N hen. Then which figure is this? Jet. J-E-T jet. Then B. Which figure is this? Bell. इसको क्या पढ़ते हैं बच्चों? ये क्या बना है? बेल बनी है. B-E-L-L bell. Right? Kids, you all have to learn these spellings, okay? Then which figure is this? Nest. So here you have to write E. N-E-S-T nest. Then which figure is this? ये क्या बना है? Well बना है. कुएं को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? Well बोलते हैं. What is the spelling of well? W-E-L-L well. Now which figure is this? These are couples. They are. देखिए बच्चों, ये क्या बना है? इनकी शादी हो रही है ना? They are doing marriage. So what is the spelling of wed? W-E-D wed. Wed means wedding. Then which figure is this? Den. Lion lives in den. Okay, so here we have completed our one exercise. Come to another one and circle the correct word for each picture. Here some pictures are given. We have to encircle the correct one. Okay, which figure is this? Bed. What is the spelling of bed? B-E-D bed. So here you have to circle. Then F-E-D fed, L-E-D led. These are wrong. This one is correct. B-E-D bed. Then which figure is this? Pen. So here what is written? H-E-N, hen, M-E-N, man, P-E-N, pen. So kids, encircle the pen. Then which figure is this? Net. Here B-E-T, bet, G-E-T, get, J-E-T, jet. So here is written N-E-T, net. So which number we have to circle? N-E-T, net we have to circle, okay? Then which figure is this? Bell. Now let's read C-E-L-L, cell, B-E-L-L, bell. So encircle the bell. Kids, here we have completed our another exercise also. So kids, we have completed our CW and turn your page. Page number 7, that is your homework. So kids, complete your homework. You have to read only this page and classwork we have done. So kids, do your homework and learn how to read these words. Thank you. Hello kids, it's time for Hindi recitation. So kids, stand up on your place, put your hands on your waist. I am going to recite a poem and you all have to repeat after me with actions. तो बच्चों, आज हिंदी रेसिटेशन में हम लोग बिल्ली मौसी करेंगे. बिल्ली मौसी को तो सभी लोग जानते हैं ना, तो चलिए बिल्ली मौसी की राइम स्टार्ट करते हैं. बिल्ली मौसी, बिल्ली मौसी, बिल्ली मौसी, कहो कहाँ से आई हो. बिल्ली मौसी, कहो कहाँ से आई हो. कितने चूहे मारे तुमने, कितने खाकर आई हो. क्या बताऊं शीला बहन, आज नहीं कुछ पेट भरा. एक ही चूहा पाया मैंने, वो भी बिल्कुल सड़ा हुआ. Kids, let's repeat it again. बिल्ली मौसी, कहो कहाँ से आई हो. कितने चूहे मारे तुमने, कितने खाकर आई हो. क्या बताऊं शीला बहन, आज नहीं कुछ पेट भरा. एक ही चूहा पाया मैंने, वो भी बिल्कुल सड़ा हुआ. So kids, I hope you all have enjoyed this rhyme. Learn it and revise it. Thank you. Kids, this is our Hindi class. So kids, today we are going to do our work in Hindi book. So kids, take out your Swargyan book. Open page number 15. Open page number 15. Right here today's date, that is 7th August CW. Okay? बच्चों, इससे पहले मैंने आपको होमवर्क में छोटी ई की मात्रा वाले शब्द रीड करने के लिए दिए थे. ये सब आपने रीड कर लिए होंगे. तो चलिए आज हम लोग दूसरे शब्द रीड करते हैं छोटी ई की मात्रा वाले. ठीक है, देखिए ये कौन सी मात्रा बच्चों? छोटी ई की. तो छोटी ई की मात्रा ई हो गया. अब इसमें गा लग जाएगा तो क्या बन जाएगा? गिलास. क्या बन गया? गिलास. अब सा में छोटी की मात्रा लग जाएगी, क्या बन जाएगा? सितार. अब का में छोटी की मात्रा लग के क्या बन गया? किसान. अब का में छोटी की मात्रा लग जाएगी, क्या बन जाएगा? किताब. ठीक बच्चों, अब चलिए नीचे आते हैं, इसको भी पढ़ते हैं. पढ़िए और याद कीजिए. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. मिल, खिल, तिल, पिन, बिल, सिर. मिल, खिल, तिल, पिन, बिल, सिर. छिप, लिख, दिन, गिन, सिल, रवि, किला, पिता, मिनट, तिलक, किरण, हिरन, निकट, खटिया. क्या बन गया? खटिया. क्यों? टा में छोटी की मात्रा है ना, तो क्या बन गया? टी. खटिया, क्योंकि इसमें आ की मात्रा लगी है. खटिया, बगिया, बगिया, धनिया, धनिया, मिठास, क्या बना है? मिठास, चिड़िया, चिड़िया, साइकिल, ये ई बना है, ये की बना है, का में छोटी की मात्रा की, और ये तो ई बना ही है, तो क्या रीड करेंगे? साइकिल, 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 किशमिश, किशमिश, नारियल, नारियल, रविवार, रविवार, पिकनिक, पिकनिक, क्योंकि ना में भी छोटी की मात्रा है और पा में भी छोटी की मात्रा है, तो पिकनिक, निक, पिकनिक, शनिवार, शनिवार। तो चलिए बच्चों, आज हम लोगों ने इस पन्ने की रीडिंग कर ली है। नाउ टर्न योर पेज, पेज नंबर 16। किड्स, ये आपका होमवर्क है, इसको आपको रीड करके आना है। कैसे रीड करेंगे चलिए मैं बताती हूँ। दिन, दिन, निकल, निकल गया, दिन निकल गया। अब टिन मिन, टिन मिन चिड़िया छत पर आ जा, टिन मिन चिड़िया दलिया, दलिया, खा जा, दलिया खा जा। किसान अब काम पर निकला, किसान गा रहा था, चिड़िया आ जा, चिड़िया आ जा। गाना गाकर दिल, दिल बहला जा, दिल बहला जा। बच्चों, ये मैंने आपको पढ़ा दिया है, ये आपका CW हो गया। अब यहाँ पर HW, ये आपको अपने आप रीड करना है। ओके, तो बच्चों अपना होमवर्क करिए। क्लास वर्क में मैंने रीडिंग करा दी है, अब आपको पता हो गया होगा कि इसको कैसे रीड करना है। तो किड्स, कंप्लीट योर होमवर्क। थैंक यू। This is a maths class, so kids take out your maths book because today we are going to do our work in maths book. So kids, take out kindergarten maths. Open page number 10. This is your class work. Kids, here what you have to do, write today's date over here and tick on CW because this is your class work. What you have to do, read and write the numbers. Here we are having number names from 1 to 10. So kids, let's start. What is the spelling of 1? O-N-E, 1. Then what is the spelling of 2? T-W-O, 2. Then 3. T-H-R-R-E, 3. Then what is the spelling of 4? F-O-U-R, 4. Then what is the spelling of 5? F-I-V-E, 5. Then 6. S-I-X, 6. Then what is the spelling of 7? S-E-V-E-N, 7. What is the spelling of 8? E-I-G-S-T, 8. Then what is the spelling of 9? N-I-N-E, 9. And what is the spelling of 10? T-E-N, 10. Kids, I hope you all have learned counting number names from 1 to 10. So kids, complete your work as I have done. You have to do as same as I have done over here. You have to write in cursive. Okay? Then come to page number 11. That is your homework. You have to write date over here, 7th August. And you have to tick on homework. Okay? Like this. Kids, this is your homework. Here what you have to do, same, read and write. Here you are having counting from 11 to 15. Kids, what you have to do, you have to copy this from 11 to 15. Okay, you have to see this spelling and you have to write over here. Kids, I hope you have learned these spellings, so don't take help from these spellings. Do it by yourself. This is your homework. So kids, complete your work. Thank you. Hey kids, this is your previous class. So kids, take out your EVS notebook because we are going to do EVS written work. So kids, take out your notebooks, open a page where I have done the setting of 7th August 2020 and day is Friday. Kids, today in EVS we are going to do fruits name. Okay, this is your classwork and homework. In classwork and homework you have to do the same work. Let's start. Fruits name. Apple. What is the spelling of apple? A-double-P-L-E, apple. Then mango. M-A-N-G-O, go, mango. Then banana. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Apple, mango, banana, orange, grapes, G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. Then papaya. Apple, mango, banana, orange, grapes, papaya, cherry, C-H-E-R-R-Y, cherry. Okay, so what is the spelling of cherry? C-H-E-R-R-Y, cherry. Then plum. What is the spelling of plum? P-L-U-M, plum. P-L-U-M, plum. Then melon. M-E-L-O-N, melon. M-E-L-O-N, melon. Then watermelon. W-A-T-E-R, water. M-E-L-O-N, melon, watermelon. Kids, what is watermelon? खाते हैं ना हम लोग तरबूज. वाटरमेलन को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? तरबूज. What is the spelling of watermelon? W-A-T-E-R, water. M-E-L-O-N, melon, watermelon. Then what is melon? Melon mean खरबूजा. Melon and watermelon में आप कंफ्यूज मत होइएगा क्योंकि melon means होता है खरबूजा and watermelon means तरबूज. So kids, you all have to do work in your notebook as same as I have done on the board. Kids, this work is same is your homework. So complete your work and learn all the spellings. Thank you. Hey kids, this is our EVS oral class. As you all know, in orals, you don't have to write anything in your notebook. So kids, today we are going to do revision of fruits. Let's start. Number 1, apple. What is the spelling of apple? A-double-P-L-E, apple. Then mango. M-A-N-G-O, go, mango. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. P-A-P-A-Y-A, papaya. C-H-E-R-R-Y, cherry. P-L-U-M, plum. Then melon. What is the spelling of melon? M-E-L-O-N, melon. Then watermelon. W-A-T-E-R, water. M-E-L-O-N, melon, watermelon. Let's revise it again. Apple, mango, banana, orange, papaya, grapes, cherry, plum, melon, watermelon. Apple, mango, banana, orange, grapes, papaya, cherry, plum, melon and watermelon. Kids, you all have to learn these spellings very well. So kids, learn it and thank you.